Hello everyone. Today we will learn about communicable disease. So before knowing the communicable disease, we must know what is disease. So disease is nothing. It is a condition that does not allow the body to function properly. So basically it is an illness that affects the health of a person. There are two types of disease. One is communicable disease and second one is non-communicable disease. So today we will study about the communicable disease and non-communicable disease we will study in our next video. What are communicable disease? Communicable disease are those diseases that spread from one infected person to an healthy person. So these diseases are also known as infectious disease. These diseases are caused by some microorganisms that are known as germs or pathogens. There are different microorganisms such as bacteria, virus and protozoa. And the diseases that are caused by bacteria are cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid, tetanus, pneumonia, and the second one is virus. The disease caused by viruses are measles, AIDS, common cold, viral fever, conjunctivitis, chikungunya, and the protozoa causes disease, malaria, amoebic dysentery. These are the disease caused by these microorganisms. So let us study about how the communicable disease are spreading out. So first, through food and water. When a person take a contaminated food or water, it may suffer with some disease like cholera, diarrhea and food poisoning. Sometimes the food and water may get infected with germs if they are not stored or handled properly. Flies and cockroaches can contaminate our food with germs. These diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice, polio spread through this contaminated food and water. Now the second one, through air. When a sick person cough, sneeze or spit, germs are released into the air. When a healthy person breathes this air, germs enter his or her body and make him sick. Him and her sick. Therefore, we should always cover our nose and mouth with a handkerchief when sneezing or coughing. So disease like common cold, flu, tuberculosis spread through air. Now the third one is through insect bite. Disease like malaria, dengue, plague, chikungunya spread through blood-sucking insects like mosquito, bugs, flies. Malaria is caused by a protozoan that is carried out by a female Anopheles mosquito. When the mosquito bites someone with malaria, the germs are sucked up with blood. When this mosquito bites another healthy person, the germs are injected into the healthy person and causing malaria. Now the fourth one is direct contact. When a healthy person comes in contact with a sick person or his handkerchief, towel, cloth, etc., he can get infected by the germs. Disease like measles, chickenpox, ringworm spread through direct contact. Now the fifth one is through cuts in the skin. Now you can see in this picture, disease causing germs cannot enter only through body. It can also enter through the cuts in the skin, in which you can see that how the cut shows the anthrax spores enters from the open cut. We know that prevention is better than cure. So to prevent this communicable disease, proper precautionary measures should be taken. These are some precautionary methods which we follow to prevent us from the communicable disease. The first one is the house should be disinfected. It should have good ventilation, the open space to get proper sunlight, as we all know that sunlight is a natural disinfectant. We should take a pure and clean water, and we should if there is no purifier in the house, then in that case we will boil the water up to 25 minutes. That kills the germs present in it. And we should maintain our personal as well as Community hygiene. When we talk about the personal hygiene, we should take a bath with a soap and clean water to keep our body clean. And when we talk about the community hygiene, we should not allow the stagnant water in the surrounding, so the flies or mosquito can breed there. The drains and dustbin should be kept covered. And the second last is the child should be vaccinated against such communicable disease like tuberculosis, diphtheria, hepatitis, polio. Now we all know that 2020 is a pandemic named as COVID-19, that is corona. How to prevent it, how we can prevent from it. So we should wash our hands, we should sanitize our hands, we should take a proper maintain a social distancing, we should wear a mask, and the person who is suffering from COVID-19, they should donate their blood and plasma to treat the other suffering person. Now the vaccination, it is a most effective way to prevent communicable disease. It is a process of injecting dead or weakened germs of a disease into the body of a healthy person in order to help the body to develop immunity against that disease. Immunity is basically an ability of a body to recognize and destroy germs. So this is all about communicable disease, and these are the some vaccines that are given to the children in their childhood. One is BCG for tuberculosis, polio drops for polio disease, and DPT is for diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, and hepatitis vaccine for hepatitis. So this is all about. Thank you.